Today, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Korean mushroom side dish called 버섯볶음. The mushrooms are perfectly seasoned so that with warm Korean rice together, oh boy, it almost tastes like bulgogi with rice. That's how good it is. Now, this mushroom juice you see right here, oh yeah, you want to pour this over your warm Korean rice, mix it all up, and have it together. 오늘의 레시피, 아주 간단하고 맛있는 버섯볶음 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. I think I'm just gonna like dunk this into a big bowl and mix it all up and just like inhale it. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Madam Pepper. 안녕하세요, Madam Pepper의 헬렌입니다. To make our mushroom side dish, 반찬, we need about 120 grams of shiitake mushrooms. These are called 표고버섯 in Korean. Now you could also use the dried 표고버섯, dried shiitake mushrooms. Just go to the website address you see right here for directions on how to resuscitate and rehydrate the dried mushrooms. So you want to take your mushroom and just remove the stem like that. It falls out pretty easy. If not, take your kitchen shears and just cut it right off. So these are the stems. Don't throw these away, and you could add them to your stock next time you make stock, or you could add it to your 된장찌개. That's Korean soybean paste stew. Yes, the video link is in the description box below if you want to check it out. Now to clean our mushroom, I want you to get a paper towel and soak it so that it's really wet. And then what you want to do is just wipe it on the top and then turn it over. You see that? You just want to wipe the interior like that. And do not put this in the running water or in a bowl with water because remember, mushrooms are like a sponge. So if you put it in full contact with water, it would just suck it all up. All right, so clean your mushrooms like so. And then we want to cut them into slices that are not too thin or not too thick. So let me just show you, about that much. So just continue cutting. And our last one, like that. About 40 grams of white onion. And our onions, we're just gonna cut them into thin strips. 1 tablespoon of butter. So in here we have 1 teaspoon of finely minced garlic, and to that we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Jjigae. If you don't have Jjigae, all-purpose soy sauce will do. And then we need a 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna add it to our mixture here. And then we're just gonna mix it, just so that the sugar dissolves. And then we're gonna put this to the side and get our mushrooms going. Now make sure to have all the ingredients ready to go because we're gonna quickly stir fry this in a matter of minutes. Set your heat to high, put your frying pan over it and preheat it for about good 2 minutes. Once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to add a generous amount of oil, about a tablespoon of your favorite oil. And then to that, we're gonna add our mushrooms. What I want you to do is spread out your mushrooms so each mushroom is in full contact with the frying pan. And on high heat, we're just gonna let the mushrooms sizzle and brown for about a good minute. And we're gonna add 1 generous pinch of salt, like that, and also some black pepper. About a minute later, your mushroom should be slightly brown like that, okay? And then we're gonna add our onions. And then we're gonna stir fry this for about 30 seconds on high heat. And then we're gonna put our mug here, and then we're gonna tilt our pan and let it rest like that. We're gonna push our mushroom and onions to one side, and then we're gonna pour our liquid right here. We're gonna add our butter. As soon as the butter melts, we're gonna put our frying pan down flat again and just mix everything up. And this is basically done. And we're gonna turn the heat off completely. And then we're gonna add our shirgochu, our chili threads, like that. And just quickly transfer it to a plate right away. All right, so let's have a quick taste test. The combination of the soy sauce and the garlic and a little bit of slight sweet taste, and then the butter just took it over the edge. Oh, this is really good. And then the onions are crunchy and juicy and sweet. Really nice combination. I like it the way it tastes now in terms of its saltiness, but if you like it saltier, add a little bit more of salt. If you like it less salty, add a little bit of hot water and just toss it again in the pan. The saltiness right now with warm Korean rice together will be a really, really good combination. And then you could garnish with some scallions on top, like that. Just a little bit of sesame seeds, just a little bit. You could also put a little bit of sesame oil on top, but I'm not going to because we added the butter. You see that juice? So if you wait the next day, you're gonna end up with more juice. Oh, this with warm Korean rice mixed up together, you'll be really, really happy, I promise. But what I really would do is like pour. Oh, amazing, look at that. And then you have it all together. All right, so I'm gonna pick some up from the bottom so you guys could see. Here we go. It is meaty, juicy, and the mushroom mopped up all that delicious sauce that we made together. You know you want it. And to my Korean rice, I would add my mushroom on top like that. And of course, you add a piece of kimchi together. Look at that. Simple and delicious meal for you at home. Bon appetit, everyone. So simple and so tasty. The mushrooms are loaded with so many flavors. Oh, I think I'm just gonna like dunk this into a big bowl and mix it all up and just like inhale it. So I wanna thank everyone for watching today. And if you enjoyed watching today's video, as always, I would totally appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon. When you click on that thumbs up icon, you are supporting my channel tremendously. So I wanna thank you in advance. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.